Hello, teacher. My name is Nhân. I'm today going to talk about secure network service configuration with SCP, SFTP, and SSH. First, what is secure network service? Secure network service refers to a set of protocols and technologies designed to ensure secure communication over networks, particularly untrusted environments like the internet. So it's important in data security in today's digital age. Sensitive information such as personal data, financial records, and business communication must be protected from unauthorized access and breaches. Secondly, trust and reliability. Secure network service foster trust among users and organizations, ensuring data exchange between parties remains confidential and unaltered. And the last one is compliance. Many industries are subject to regulations that mandate the protection of sensitive data. Next is the role in protecting data during transmission. So first role is encryption. Secure network service use encryption to transform data into a format that is unreadable to unauthorized users. This ensures that even if data is intercepted during transmission, it cannot be understood without the correct decryption key. The next one is authentication. This service verifies the identity of parties involved in the communication. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures that users are communicating with legitimate servers or clients. The third one is integrity checks. Secure protocols often include mechanisms to check data integrity, ensuring that data has not been altered or tampered during transit. This typically achieved through hash function and checksums. The last one is session management. Secure network service manage and maintain secure sessions, ensuring that each interaction is protected from potential threats like session hijacking. Next is the threats in network communication. First is eavesdropping. Eavesdropping occurs when an authorized party intercepts and listens to communication between two parties without their knowledge. And second is man-in-the-middle attack. In mid-term in man-in-middle attack, an attacker secretly relays and possibly alter the communication between two parties who believe they are directly communicating with each other. Third one is data integrity issue. Data integrity issue arise when data is altered or corrupted during transmission, whether by accidental or malicious intent. So next is an overview of SSH, SCP, and FCP. SAS is a secure cell. It's a cryptographic network protocol that enables secure remote logging and other secure network service over an insecure networks. The second one is SCP, Secure Copy Protocol. It's a network protocol that allows for the secure transfer of files between hosts on the network. It utilizes SSH data transfer and provides the same level of security of SSH. And the last one is SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. It is a secure file transfer protocol that operates over SSH, providing a secure way to transfer file and manage file system on remote server. Next is demonstration. So now I will try to connect to the Ubuntu machine through Windows using SSH. So now I will open the SSH in the Ubuntu. Then I will enable. So here I can check status. Here say active. This time there is support and install. So now I will connect to it. Username, localhost, tap to networks. Here, say it's connected to the Ubuntu machine.
Hello teacher, my name is Dr. Khang, and today our group will present the secure network service configuration with SCP, SFTP and SSH, and I will present about the SSH. So first, SSH is stand for Secure Shell. Is a protocol that provides secure access to remote computer over an insecure network, and the key feature is encrypt communication, secure file transfer, SCP and SFTP, and remote command execution. So why is it matters? So it protects sensitive data from interception and enables secure server management. So how can it works? We have two part is component which have client and server. Client initiate the connection and the server listen to port 22 for incoming SSH request, and the encryption process is establish a secure channel using public private keys and authenticate using password or key, what you can see in the picture. So next is the password-based authentication. We have 3 steps, which are step 1 is client request access from the server. The server asks for a password and the user provide password to authenticate. So the advantage of it is easy to set up, and the disadvantage of it is vulnerable to brute force attacks, risk of weak passwords. Let's go to the key-based authentication. So there are 3 steps to set up a key pair authentication, which are generate a key pair using SSH keygen, copy the public key to the server SSH copy ID, and the last step is authenticate using private key. The advantage of it is eliminate password vulnerabilities and more secure against brute force attacks. And the use case of the SSH is first, there are applications use SSH to secure server management and automating file transfer with SCP and SFTP, as I told you before, and running remote command for development and testing. There are some examples you can see in the 2 pictures that are backing up database security and deploying web application remotely. So let's go to the demo. So first, let's check the status of SSH. require the password, so it's working correctly. Okay, let's go to login from my computer using SSH user localhost. It requires the password, so I create a user before, so I will enter the password. So you can see it worked correctly. You show the Ubuntu 24041 LTS. So it has some risks, as told before, to leak the password outside, or the password are too weak to protect our data. So let's set up our key page of authentication like this. So it's generating public private ED25518 key pair to so we will save it to the default. And the paraphrase, I don't think I need paraphrase. So we correctly do this to create a random image key. So let's copy. So it's asking me to continue connecting, so let's go yes, enter our password. So it worked correctly, and we add one key. So let's try to log in into the machine. So this time we don't need to enter our password anymore. So let's try to disable the password-based authentication by doing this. Enter the password. So the user is not the sudo file, that's why we cannot do this. And that's my demo and presentation. Thanks for listening.
Hi, my name is Dũng. I'm responsible for the SCP part of our group project. So what is SCP? The definition, it is a secure copy protocol. SCP is a network protocol that supports secure file transfer between hosts and a network. So how does this work? SCP is based on SSH, is secure shell, which means it inherits the security feature of SSH, such as encryption and authentication. So how does SCP differentiate it from traditional file transfer method? Traditional method, it is common method, include file transfer protocol and HTTP. These methods often transmit data in plain text, making them vulnerable to eavesdrop and attacks. So the SCP advantage are security. It encrypts data during transfer, protecting it from unauthorized access. Simplicity. SCP syntax is straightforward and easy to use for transferring file. And speed. It is generally faster than FTP in secure environment due to reduced overhead. The use case for SCP are remote server maintenance. System administrator frequently use SCP to transfer script configuration files or backup to remote server securely. Data backup. User can securely backup files to remote server without needing complex setup. Cross-platform transfer. SCP works seamlessly across different operating systems, facilitating file transfer between Linux, macOS, and Windows. Um, so now I will show a demonstration of it. I will do SCP locally. So first of all, um, I will create a sample file. Here I will create this file and first file and the second file. Now I will create a temporary directory for copying. I will name it temporary directories. So now I will use the SCP, use the file 1, and make it, copy it to this directory.
Hello everybody, my name is Đức. And now I will talk about SMTP or Secure File Transfer Protocol. So what is SMTP? SFTP stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol. It is a network protocol that provides this secure file access, transfer, and management over a reliable data stream. Unlike traditional file transfer protocols, SMTP operates over a secure connection provided by SSH, or called secure shell. So why SCP is important? The first is data security. Ensure that sensitive files are encrypted during transmission, protecting them from unauthorized access or interception. Next is business use. Review crucial for industries such as financial, healthcare, and IT, where secure and reliable data transfer are mandatory. And next is regulatory compliance. Meet data protection standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, ensuring organizations stay compliant. The last is global accessibility. Facilitated secure file, they will facilitate secure file HR between different locations and systems globally. And now I will talk about key feature of SFTP. First is secure data transmission. They will use SSH to create an encrypted channel for data HR. Next is safeguard and then safeguard both the transfer file and communication command. Next is authentication method. They will have three methods. First is password based, secure login with strong password policy. Next is public key authentication, offer an additional layer of security by requiring both a private and public key pair. The last is multi-factor authentication. Add another verification step for increased protection. And file management capability supports various file operations including uploading, downloading, renaming, deleting, and permission management, providing directory list with detailed file attribute. The last is platform independent. They work similarly across operation systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, compatible with various network environments without additional configuration. And the advanced state of SFTP that we have for advanced first is enhanced security. All data and comments are encrypted and they protect against MITM or man-in-the-middle attack. Next is reliability, provided error recovery mechanism during the transfer. Compliant, meet industry standard for secure file transfer. And lastly, ease of use, simple command line interface and GUI tool available for user. Some tools supporting SCP here is FileZilla, Win SCP, CyberDuck, Open SSH, Python Baramico, Java SGS, SCH. So how SMTP enhance SCP? First is file management. SMTP go beyond symbol transfers, allowing user to management file. Interactive session that will unlike SCP. SCP will let user browser directory and perform multiple operations within the same session. Next is error handling. SMTP include built-in error reporting and recovering mechanisms, ensuring a smooth transfer process even in unstable network conditions. And the last is data integrity check. They will verify file during transfer to detect corruption or incomplete upload. So what is the difference between SMTP and SCP? First, the similar to them is in security. Both protocol rely on SSH for encryption and ensuring secure data transmission. The difference in here that in the SMTP and SCP will have a different functionality, use case, and performance. In functionality SMTP, they will offer a suite of tools for directory browser, multiple file transfer, and file management within a system. In SCP, primarily focused on single file transfer like interactive capability. In use case, SMTP will better suit for complex scenarios requiring directory synchronization, file organization, or frequent update. In SCP, the idea for one of or which transfer of large individual file. The performance in SMTP is more restrictive but may have slightly higher overhead due to its addition filter. In SCP, the slightly faster for direct file transfer due to its simply. So thank you for listening my presentation. Now I will go to the demo of SMTP to STP. Let I create a new one. Yes. So in here to start STP, I will have to run uh this is because I have already run, so I will overriding. I will overriding is I will let the pass phraser empty. So in here, the SSA keygen He generated a new pair of SA key, private and public key for secure authentication. Let's T RSA TRSA. They will specify the type of key to create RSA algorithm, and that is P and 2048. They will set the key length to 2048 bit for strong encryption. And the last here, they will define the file name and location to set the private key. Here in this, they will set link to the home của Hồng Đức, home/Hồng Đức. So now I will start the SCP session. SCP Hồng Đức. This is my host name and this is my username. In here, you can see I have success in connection session to my host name, and now I will list what in here the remote directory we have show in here, and I will cd to the test one, the directory I've already created before. In here I will list, we will have two files here. So first, in the SFTP demo, I will do uploading file, download, rename, and delete. First, yeah, I will go to upload file. So, put file home slash vào Hồng Đức slash test one file one dot tt slash home slash vào Hồng Đức. Oh, okay. First I will cd again to the remote here. It will be home from Đức. So next put file one. We already have. I will put the file two. File two will have in home from Đức. File file four txt into slash home slash from Đức slash test one. Here you can see we have already done in upload, and I will go to the directory test one and list it. We have here the file for we have upload from the remote to the directory test one. Now I will download the file file 10tt to a remote directory. Get file 10tt. Here you can see they will fetching from the text file to the file directory, and now I will cd here you can see the remote booking will home Đức, and I will list it now. File 10 and let's try again. One is here. You see. So let's see. I will try, and then I will rename. I will rename the file. Rename file 1 THT to file 2 THT. And here you see file 1 we go to the file 2 GT now. The file 1 we go to the file 2 GT now. And now I will try to download it again. Maybe it can work. File 2 GT to GT GT is so now we guess that's all Được that's one start file to TST. Now here and now here after I download the file to GT yes you will see the file 2 in here. The one to no try again. Let's try again. Switch on the file to TXT. Not found. Switch. Yeah, and here now. Sorry, my bad. I forgot to point to the remote directory I want to download. And now we can see the file 2 before it don't have the file 2 GT. After that, when I down the file 2 GT in the take one into the home's remote home for Hồng Đức. Now we have the file 2 GT. But the net I will want to delete the file 2 GT in the remote directory here. I will move file 2 GT and list and now you can see they will not have and anymore. I have deleted the file 2 GT and we can see here now. And so that's all in my demo, and I will end this by command by. So thanks for listening and watching my demo. That's all my and that's all. See you again.